everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 24th to the 28th of July 2023 on Monday. The worst betrayal and hate comes from a trusted ally and the one who is meant to be a natural on Tuesday. Nomkhosi suffers the consequences of her actions. Things are off to a good start between Sipho and his mom. Hlelo has an idea that can help Sipho rekindle his relationship or friendship with Njeza on Wednesday. Sibonelo tells Nomaswazi to be positive about their events. Philile justifies her choices for abandoning Sipho. Mzamo comes up with a brilliant plan to make money on this day. A peacock proud Mondli put a spoke in the wheel of Sibonelo's plans. Njinji threatens Nomaswazi and the prince finally reveals what happened between him and Philile on Friday. Kunzi find out that Sibonelo hijacked Flavia. Sipho blames the prince for keeping him away from his mother. Mbata resurfaces in India. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.